welcome to the Handy Guys. Handy Guy Brian talking about the Lutron Caseta system. The question we all want to know, what happens if your internet goes down or the bridge goes away? Do all my lights stop working? So here we go. I'm going to pull the plug and we're going to walk out into the rest of the basement and see what happens.
All right, Brian, I know that you were going to unplug the hub. Did you do it?
I unplugged the hub. So now my lights are still on, so that's a good sign.
So the question is, will this all work if for some reason the hub fails or you lose power to it? And the answer is...
it does.
Works just fine. The lights are going off.
Off and on.
And we tested this prior to this video and we confirmed. So what about your app?
That's the thing that doesn't work, Paul. So I can't remote control the lights from my app. My Google Home does not control the lights anymore. So it's all offline as far as that stuff goes.
So the switches talk to themselves still, but
that's
nothing can talk to them. You can't reprogram the buttons or anything
that's right.
like that.
That's right.
So you need the hub for those functions, but it will continue working if you had to replace it or something like that.
That's right.
All right, cool. Well, thanks for showing that to us,
all right.
Brian.
Well, thanks for watching.